Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I love when clothing instantly elevates my look. And this one shoulder maxi dress from Coco does exactly that. What I love most about this dress is it's simple, but still very elegant. So there's a few details to the design that really elevate the look. So the one shoulder automatically, in my opinion, makes it more formal, but then the strap itself is twisted with these little keyhole openings I think are super cute. This is also a floor length dress, which makes it more formal. So I am just under 5'6". I do have to wear a small heel or wedge so it doesn't drag. So keep that in mind depending on how tall you are. You more than likely will need some kind of heel. This is made of a poly spandex blend. It is super comfortable. It is stretchy. Now I'm wearing a medium, which is true to size for me, but if you're in between sizes, you could probably do the smaller size because there is a little bit of room for forgiveness. But if you're looking for something a little more formal, maybe for a wedding or a cocktail hour, I love this dress. You are gonna feel beautiful in it and get lots of compliments. And that's my point of view.